Have you ever sat down to study, even open your book, but still have no idea what to study? I was there, hours wasted, but yet no progress. But today, I'm gonna give you top 3 AI tools that you can use to study and even some powerful tips which will help you learn faster. And stay till the end because I'm gonna give you the lessons that I learned from Elon's life. Part 1. Why use AI for studying? Most of us don't struggle with intelligence, but we struggle at structuring. And AI comes here for your help. Here's what AI would do if you ask for its help. It will help you study things properly. It will make you a study plan. It's your 24/7 tutor, and it would even take quizzes. Example, instead of studying 500 pages report for your exam, you could ask AI to summarize it and give you the important points which are important for the exam. And boom, instead of hours and hours of wasting your time studying 500 pages, you have studied it in 2 minutes. That's the power of AI learning. Part 2. How you can use AI to study. Here's 5 practical ways I use AI to study every day. Breaking down tougher concepts. I usually ask AI to make it simpler as if a 12-year-old is trying to learn. Even bigger topics like quantum theory, computer science, AI, blockchain, every single topic is broken down into smaller parts, and when it starts helping you as if you are a 12-year-old, suddenly everything clicks. Even complex topics like quantum theory would be easier for you. It creates study schedules. I would ask AI that I have 10 or 20 days to prepare for this exam. Give me a study plan through which I can succeed to make a proper study plan. And if you want breaks in between, it would even give you breaks too. I usually use AI to add in reserve days so that if I have backlogs, I could complete it in those reserve days. Make up practice questions. If you're done studying and you want to practice how much you have retained it, it's called active recall. But if you are using AI for active recall, it's way better. It's very interactive. The questions would modify in the way that you're answering. So basically, it's active recall on steroids. And you could turn your notes into flashcards. I literally use this feature every time. And you basically copy your notes and paste it in your favorite tools and get the flashcards right for you instead of wasting hours and hours of time to make those flashcards. And flashcards are the best way to study. Learn with ease, breaking down complex topics into simpler ones. Even toughest things like blockchain technology is been broken down into simpler parts so that even you can learn it. And before getting into top 3 AI tools, please feel free to click that subscribe button and like button, because I'll be making one perfect video which will help you be better in your life every week. So that you don't miss the next video, click that subscribe button right now. So here's the cherry. Part 3. Top 3 AI tools. My personal favorite is ChatGPT. I use it because of its reasoning power. If you give it the PDF or the source from which you want to study, it would reason very nicely so that even a 12-year-old can understand complex topics. You can use it for asking summaries, making practice questions, examples from that summary, and here's a pro tip. Give it a context where you are standing in that learning phase. If you are a mere beginner, it will explain it for a mere beginner, and if you have sound knowledge about that topic, it would start from that level. So use it wisely. Tool 2 is Perplexity AI. This is basically Google on steroids. I use it for searching topics. Instead of surfing through tons of websites to get the right information, I use Perplexity AI so that it does surfing for me and gets me the structured information that I need. It's best for researching your papers and fact checking because it's basically ChatGPT plus web search in one place. Tool 3 is Notion AI. This is for organizing my day and my month and my week. It helps me to build study systems so that I don't break it, and my YouTube system so that I don't break it. It helps me when I need to make a video, when I need to study, when I need to rest. It could be used as your notebook too. It would auto summarize things that you're trying to learn. It would take notes. It's a best tool that you could use right now for being productive. You could use these 3 tools in this way. Use ChatGPT for understanding. Use Perplexity for search or research. Use Notion AI for organizing everything. This is your full ecosystem. Part 4. Tips for using AI efficiently. AI is powerful, but only if you use it the right way. Here are some tips. 1. Ask better questions. Learn prompt engineering, which would help you ask better questions, give it context, its role, its depth that it needs to go, the amount of research, amount of reasoning that it needs to put in. Tip 2. Don't just copy and paste. Expand and engage. Instead of just copying and pasting whole summary, just copy and paste the whole summary there, give it some context, engage with the AI. Tell it that you need this specific answer. Treat it like your teacher. Ask questions to get better answers back. Tip 3. Combine AI with active recall. When you're done reading, you can use AI to ask you questions out of that source. Instead of making your own questions, you could ask AI to make questions for you so you don't waste time. It's a powerful way to do active recall. Instead of wasting tons of time to make flashcards, questions, rereading the sources, use AI which would do that work for you, and you just do the main part, recalling. And active recall is the best way to remember things for long term. Tip 4. Use AI to save time, but not your efforts. You need to put your efforts even when you have AI. AI is just a way which would reduce the time of doing the work, but you need to do the hard work. It's basically smart work, doing smartly the hard work. Tip 5. Build consistency. There's no substitute for consistency. 20 minutes every day would beat 2 hours in a week. If you do 20 minutes consistently, you have skyrocketed your progress. Instead of just doing nothing in a week and just doing something. Part 5. Takeaways from all of this. Use AI to simplify, test yourself, and scheduling. Take leverage of ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, Notion AI, and even tons of tools which are available out there. I would be bringing a lot more tools in the future videos. Focus on active learning rather than passively learning it. And be consistent. Even if you're implementing one of this thing in your life, it would be a massive change already. But if you're staying consistent with everything that you've learned today, it's a skyrocketing of productivity, growth, and learning in your life. And if you've loved everything that you've learned today, and I've got another video which is about lessons that I learned from Elon's life. I would pin it right here. Go check it out. It would give you insights that you could learn from Elon's life to be better in your life. And I'll see you right there.